Right, so welcome back to Cnvctd. My name's Jordan. This is the second video on our channel now. We've just come back from doing our car show just the last weekend. So if you want to take a look at that, it's our previous video. It's our first ever video. So have a look. Shows a few of the cars that I show. It was a really good day. But I actually have some really big news. You can probably tell by my surroundings that we're in somewhere a little bit different. Somewhere different than you've ever seen before on Instagram or Facebook or anything. We have just moved in to our new unit. So this is Cnvctd headquarters, so Cnvctd HQ. We're going to be here for the foreseeable future. I'm going to show you around in just a second to show what's in the unit, what you're expecting to see as well. But I just want to say a big thank you to everyone that's supported us so far. We've been going or training now for just over a year and a half. We've been all over the UK. We have customers over in Belgium, France, Netherlands. So we're growing quite quickly, which is really good for us. So yeah, I'm going to take you for a little look around at the unit and I'll show you what is to come. Ta-da! So this is our new Cnvctd HQ. It's nice and snug. We didn't want to go for the biggest unit because we feel like if we went for the biggest unit, we wouldn't be able to fill up all the space. So this is perfect for us to start with. This is my M4 as well. I'll do a little video of that soon, but we're just getting started with that. It's a nice space. We have, over here is the chill area at the moment. We can see, it says, Strictly Swede over there. I've just got this unit off Emily. She owns Strictly Swede, so she's just done a video as well, updating what's happening with her brand and the businesses and everything. So go check that video out. But yeah, so we've taken over the place. So this is ours now. We have so much gonna go on here. We're gonna obviously starting over here. So first of all, this is going to be where our media section is going to be. So we're going to have all the computer set up, chill area, so we can start filming more videos, doing the business, processing orders, all the boring stuff really. Over here, you can see I've just got all like cleaning products and everything. We're going to have our shop here. So we're going to have bits coming off the wall, going all the way around. So we're going to have all our clothes, all our accessories, everything on a show. So that'll be nice. So if people want to come down to the HQ, they're more than welcome to. Just let us know in advance. Don't just turn up. So we're going to have everything going along here. This is going to be all the shop area. So just dividing it all the way along here. We're going to have it going up there and it's going to look really smart once we get going with it. Over here, so we're going to put probably a curtain in between here, just going along there. And we're going to use this section as our detailing bay. So we're even more than just a detailing bay, but that's what we're predominantly going to be doing anyways. We'd like to be doing some cleaning our own cars. There's a few of us on our team, so we clean them. I want to start learning how to do window tinting as well. So I'm going to give it a go soon. I'm going to try it and do a video of it and see how that goes. It might not go well, but we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, lots to come. A lot of videos going to be done here, so I'm going to be modifying my car here as well. I work with a company called R44 Performance 2. So they've hooked me up with a few parts already for the car. So obviously you can see the side skirts and everything down here. But yeah, so we're going to be cracking on with even more parts in it. And then yeah, so pretty happy with the space we've got. We only need room for just one car in here anyway. If we're going to keep getting bigger and better in the future, we'll upgrade the place. But for now, this will do. We're very happy with the space that we've got though. If I take you into here, we just have our little kitchen really. Nothing special, but it does the job. We've got ourselves a microwave, got the kettle, got the sink, all the good stuff. Got ourselves a hefty toilet as well. And a little cupboard in. So, but yeah, that's it really for it. Pretty happy to be honest. So we just moved in as well, so it is pretty bare at the moment. All the flooring, we're gonna have everything done all the sides soon. So yeah, it's gonna be really sick. But yeah, really happy what we got. And yeah, so it's time to move forwards really. So that was just a brief little look around the unit. It's very accurate at the moment because also there's nothing in it, but very soon we're going to start filling it up. It's going to be a full-blown shop. We're going to have everything in here. We're going to have people coming down here. We're going to do features of people's cars as well. So we're going to start messaging some people soon. We're going to look for some of our favourite builds around the UK. We're going to get them to come up here, spend the weekend or whatever day with us. We're going to film some videos, we'll drive around the area because where we are is really nice. And then yeah, we'll just be doing Cnvctd. That's us. So this is a step forward for us now, especially now car season's just almost done with all the shows and everything. There's just maybe 1 or 2 more shows to go, which we'll probably try and do a video for as well if we get time. So stay tuned to that. So that's going to be in the next month. But I'm going to try and keep on top of the videos if I can, because I do work a full-time job as well. So I'm going to be very, very busy from now on. So you'll see the rest of the team soon. We've got Tom as well. He helps me with Cnvctd. So you'll see him soon. You'll see his R8. He's just had some more parts done and fitted onto that as well. So you'll see that very shortly. But I just wanted to do a quick video for everyone. I just want to bring you all with myself, with our new units. I want to put more of a face behind the brand as well. So we're going to be doing this more and more for the future. But thank you for watching. I hope you're excited to see what's to come from us at Cnvctd. If you want to follow our socials, we're going to put that in the description down below. So you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, check out our website as well. We have loads more products coming out. We released these ages ago. This is one of our older ones, but I'll have everything on the shop floor soon as well, so you can see that. But yeah, thank you for watching and stay tuned for what we have coming up next.